I put on some comfortable clothes.
I put on some comfortable clothes.
I tidy up my bedroom.
I tidy up my bedroom.
I put my clothes away.
I put my clothes away.
I make a fresh cup of coffee.
I make a fresh cup of coffee.
I sit by the window.
I sit by the window.
I enjoy the quiet morning.
I enjoy the quiet morning.
I check my weekend plans.
I check my weekend plans.
I make something simple for breakfast.
I make something simple for breakfast.
I toast some bread.
I toast some bread.
I fry a couple of eggs.
I fry a couple of eggs.
I pour myself some juice.
I pour myself some juice.
I sit down for breakfast.
I sit down for breakfast.
I listen to music while I eat.
I listen to music while I eat.
I check the latest messages.
I check the latest messages.
I scroll through my social media.
I scroll through my social media.
I read a few interesting posts.
I read a few interesting posts.
I clear the breakfast table.
I clear the breakfast table.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I wipe the kitchen counter.
I wipe the kitchen counter.
I refill my water bottle.
I refill my water bottle.
I make a short to-do list.
I make a short to-do list.
I decide what to do first.
I decide what to do first.
I start cleaning the house.
I start cleaning the house.
I sweep the living room floor.
I sweep the living room floor.
I dust the furniture.
I dust the furniture.
I organize the things on the table.
I organize the things on the table.
I put away some scattered items.
I put away some scattered items.
I vacuum the carpet.
I vacuum the carpet.
I clean the bathroom.
I clean the bathroom.
I change the towels.
I change the towels.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I finish my morning chores.
I finished my morning chores.
I take a short break.
I take a short break.
I sit on the sofa and relax.
I sit on the sofa and relax.
I watch a few videos.
I watch a few videos.
I catch up on my favorite show.
I catch up on my favorite show.
I make another cup of tea.
I make another cup of tea.
I check my shopping list.
I check my shopping list.
I grab my wallet and keys.
I grab my wallet and keys.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
I walk to the nearby store.
I walk to the nearby store.
I pick up some fresh groceries.
I pick up some fresh groceries.
I compare a few prices.
I compare a few prices.
I choose some fresh fruit.
I choose some fresh fruit.
I buy a few vegetables.
I buy a few vegetables.
I pick up some snacks.
I pick up some snacks.
I pay for everything at the counter.
I pay for everything at the counter.
I carry the shopping bags home.
I carry the shopping bags home.
I put the groceries away.
I put the groceries away.
I wash the fresh fruit.
I wash the fresh fruit.
I take a little rest.
I take a little rest.
I decide what to have for lunch.
I decide what to have for lunch.
I prepare the ingredients.
I prepare the ingredients.
I chop some vegetables.
I chop some vegetables.
I heat a pan on the stove.
I heat a pan on the stove.
I cook a quick lunch.
I cook a quick lunch.
I set the table.
I set the table.
I serve the food.
I serve the food.
I enjoy a relaxed lunch.
I enjoy a relaxed lunch.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I clean up after lunch.
I clean up after lunch.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I wipe down the kitchen.
I wipe down the kitchen.
I sit in my favorite chair.
I sit in my favorite chair.
I read a few pages of my book.
I read a few pages of my book.
I listen to a relaxing playlist.
I listen to a relaxing playlist.
I take an afternoon nap.
I take an afternoon nap.
I wake up feeling refreshed.
I wake up feeling refreshed.
I check my phone again.
I check my phone again.
I call a friend.
I call a friend.
I make plans for the evening.
I make plans for the evening.
I get ready to go outside.
I get ready to go outside.
I change into something comfortable.
I change into something comfortable.
I grab my jacket before leaving.
I grab my jacket before leaving.
I meet my friend at a nearby cafe.
I meet my friend at a nearby cafe.
I order my favorite drink.
I order my favorite drink.
I chat with my friend for a while.
I chat with my friend for a while.
I talk about our plans for next week.
I talk about our plans for the next week.
I enjoy the evening atmosphere.
I enjoy the evening atmosphere.
I take a short walk afterward.
I take a short walk afterwards.
I watch the sunset on my way home.
I watch the sunset on my way home.
I arrive home before it gets too late.
I arrive home before it gets too late.
I change into my home clothes.
I change into my home clothes.
I prepare a light dinner. I set the table for
I
dinner.
prepare a light dinner. I set the table for dinner.
I watch something while I eat.
I watch something while I eat.
I clean the kitchen afterward.
I clean the kitchen afterward.
I take a warm shower.
I take a warm shower. I
I
put
put
on
on
my
my
pajamas.
pajamas. I prepare my things for Monday.
I prepare my things for Monday.
I check my schedule for tomorrow.
I check my schedule for tomorrow.
I set my alarm for the morning.
I set my alarm for the morning.
I put my phone on the charger.
I put my phone on the charger.
I turn off the bedroom light.
I turn off the bedroom light.
I get comfortable in bed.
I get comfortable in bed.
I fall asleep feeling ready for a new week.
I fall asleep feeling ready for a new week. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe my channel